Hi viewers, let us learn about how to handle money. Cash flow tells the story of how a person handles money or how a person is, how is it going to be your future. How you handle your money to tells that whether tomorrow you will be rich or not. Okay, let us see that. Okay. So if money is in the hands of poor, how he handles? See the picture which you see here. This is the pattern of financial chart. I can say it is a financial chart. Okay. So here we have income, we have an expense box. Okay, and in the balance sheet we have asset and liability box. Okay, since the man is poor, asset and liabilities are empty. Okay, what he does, he does a job. From the job he gets a salary, and the salary he uses for filling up all the expenses. What are the expenses? Tax, rent, food, transportation, clothes, everything. So what is his law here? Income is equal to expense. So poor handles money, income is equal to expense. So he is going to remain poor throughout, because as the money comes, he spends that and nothing is left out. So definitely tomorrow also he'll be poor man. If you handle cash like this, think about it. Change whatever I'm telling next. Okay, using that formulas. Now, if a middle class person is there, how he will be handling money? Okay, so he has a job, he gets a salary. Okay, he buys some liabilities. He has some liabilities. What is that? Mortgage, car loan, credit card, debit card, school loan, everything. And then comes the expenses also. Okay, so from the salary, he does all expenses. He also does the liabilities. He has some liabilities in the balance sheet. Monthly paying loan to someone or something. Bike loan, car loan, home loan, everything is in liabilities. Okay, here also his income is equal to expense, but he has something called liabilities. Still his asset column is zero. Nothing is there in the asset column. So cash flows this way. Okay, he gets the salary, he pays for the banks. Okay, so what is this liabilities? We earn for the banks. From whom you have taken the money, okay, loan. So you earn for that also. Okay, so here income is equal to expense, asset is less than liabilities. Asset is less than the liabilities. Okay, so this is a typical middle class family cash flow. And in future also he'll be like this. See here, mortgage, car loan, credit card. If you are going to have here home loan, okay, in the future that home loan is going to get into the asset column. When the loan is getting over, finally that will come to the asset column, and he will tell that that is my lifetime achievement. Now we have a rich person. How a balance sheet or income statement will be for a rich person? So he gets income. Okay, he doesn't do any job, he does not have a job. How he gets the income? He gets the income from the asset. He has so much of asset. Okay, real estate, stock, bond, notes, intellectual properties, everything. Okay, from this asset he makes money. It is the income. So it comes in the form of rental income, dividend, interest, royalties, all those things he gets. Okay, and he does he have liabilities? Yes, he has liabilities. See, the number of income asset is column is big, but liabilities column is small. Mortgage, consumer loan, credit card, all those things he also has. But this asset column is bigger than the liabilities column. Okay, and expense is still less. He only pays tax here on mortgage payments. See, mortgage is liability, which is the expense. Okay, he pays that. Okay, in his case, income is greater than expense. Income is greater than expense, and asset is greater than liability. How he handles money? When income comes, first he puts the money in the asset, in creation of the asset, savings, or you can say as savings. Okay, and the remaining money he puts for expenses or the liabilities. Okay, now this is the pattern of rich person. So how we are using it, see in future, whatever step you take today, that decides your tomorrow. So how do you handle your cash? If you are able to handle your cash like this, tomorrow definitely you will be a rich person. Okay, so this is I have taken from Rich Dad Poor Dad. Okay, why rich get richer? Always we have a complaint, right? We have a Robin Hood theory, taking it from rich people to giving it to poor one, because always rich are getting richer, poor are getting poorer, right? Why it is so? It is because of the balance sheet or the income statement. See, for a rich person, income statement always grows because he buys the asset, he gets income from the asset, and first expenditure for him is creating the asset. So as asset grows, income is growing. Okay, as income is growing, the expenditure whatever he does, it is very small, and also he has very less liabilities. He also has liabilities, but that is very less. Income expenses is decreasing, liabilities decreasing, asset is increasing, hence income is increasing. So whenever you have such a chart, then you are always going to be become furthermore richer. Rich becomes richer if you have such a balance sheet. So sit down today, find out how do you spend money, where you put all your money in the four boxes. Okay, where you are spending it tomorrow, what is your scenario? Okay, thank you. Think and act. Today itself, you take a chart, write and see, have a goal to become rich. Thank you, one and all.